front of me is Nubia RedMagic 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Features. Now select one-handed mode here and use gray switcher next to one-handed mode feature to activate it. Then decide if you wish to use it as a small window or half screen by clicking on one of those options. Then follow all of the instructions below your choice. Let's start with small window. So first, to enter one-handed mode, we need to tap and hold the back button. As you can see, after a few seconds, one-handed mode is working properly. To change placement of it, use this icon at the bottom right or left corner. To resize your window, hold top right or left corner and drag it. Then let go. If you wish to go back to standard size screen, click on dark area. Now, if you decided to use half screen, you need to hold the back button as well. To go back, you can swipe up or click on this area at the top. If you wish to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!